Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to simplify fractions. To simplify a fraction, it means that you have to write the numerator and denominator as smaller numbers by dividing up and down using the same factor. Let's see how. Suppose that we are having 45 over 60. I can divide by 5 up and down because both numbers are divisible by 5. I'm going to get 9 over 12. Is this the simplest form? No, because I can divide by 3 to get 3 over 4. Now, 3 over 4 is the simplest form of the fraction because I cannot find a common factor that can divide 3 and 4 at the same time. So I got the simplest form of 45 over 60 by 2 steps. This is great, but aren't you curious to know a method where you can reach the simplest form directly? I mean, by one step only? Let's see how. This method is called the GCD method. What are the steps? You have to find the divisors of 45, divisors of 60, find the common divisors, and then search for the GCD. Once you get the GCD, you have to divide the numerator and denominator of the fraction by this GCD. Let's get started. What are the divisors of 45? We have 1 times 45. We can use the rainbow method. 45 is not divisible by 2 because it's odd. It's divisible by 3 because if I add 4 and 5, I'm going to get 9, which is divisible by 3. 3 times 15. 45 is not divisible by 4, it's divisible by 5 since it's 5 times 9. It's not divisible by 6, it's not divisible by 7, it's not divisible by 8, it's divisible by 9 because 9 times 5 is 45. But since I'm repeating, I stop here, and these are the divisors of 45. Now we are going to search for the divisors of 60. 1 times 60, 2 times 30 because 60 is even, so it's divisible by 2. It's divisible by 3 because 3 times 20 is 60. It's divisible by 4 because 4 times 5 is 60. It's divisible by 5 because it ends in 0. And 5 times 12 is 60. We know that 6 times 10 is 60. It's not divisible by 7. It's not divisible by 8. It's not divisible by 9. It's divisible by 10 because 10 times 6 is 60. But since we are repeating, we stop here. And these are the divisors of 60. Now we are going to find the common divisors. 1, 3, 5, 15. It's clear that the greatest common divisor, the GCD, is 15. Once I find the GCD, which is 15, I write the fraction again, and I have to divide the numerator and the denominator by this GCD, which is 15. So 45 divided by 15, 60 divided by 15, I'm going to get 3 over 4, which is the simplest form of 45 over 60 because I cannot divide 3 and 4 using the same factor. So we got the simplest form in one step using the GCD method. Hope you like this method and hope you're going to use it in your exercises. And thanks for watching.